Hello everyone, in this video you are gonna see a Python project that will listen my words and do what I say. Without any delay, let's start our project.
Chitti initialized.
Hello Chitti.
Hello Vignesh.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Chitti, speed 2 GHz, memory half terabyte. I was created by Vignesh Reddy J. I am here to help him.
Speak out 25 table.
25 into 1, 25, 25 into 2, 50, 25 into 3, 75, 25 into 4, 100, 25 into 5, 125, 25 into 6, 150, 25 into 7, 175, 25 into 8, 200, 25 into 9, 225, 25 into 10, 250.
Open YouTube.
Opening. Opened.
Open Python PPT page.
Opening.
Wait, Python PPT page means our college teaches Python. They upload their Python presentations in our website. To get those Python PPTs, we need to log in into our website. We need to enter our username and password and should browse over several files to reach them. Now an automated software is going to do this. So if I say open Python PPT page, it will open that web page by entering the username and password and clicking on login and browsing through several files. Now watch it.
Opened.
Google Python.
Opening. Opened.
Is Vignesh a waste fellow?
Dirty fellow, waste fellow, idiot waste fellow, buffalo waste fellow not having any common sense.
Thank you.
Okay, bye Vignesh.
Isn't it crazy? This is not the end. You can develop it to a big extent. Do you want to make this? I'm gonna upload how I did it in few more days. So subscribe to my channel and wait for that video. Thank you for watching. Share if you like the video.